Hello, boys and girls. The purpose of this lesson is to help you with Math, Topic 1, Lesson 7. This lesson can be found on pages 24 and 25. I'm going to share my screen with you and show you your book. Again, it is page 24 and 25. Let's take a look at it. Okay. Our lesson is actually Topic 1, Lesson 7. I'm borrowing a book, so don't worry that this says Lesson 1-6, okay? This is what you see at the top of the page, okay? It says, make an organized list. I want to show you some easier examples. Then after I show you some easier ones, I want you to come back and take a look at this one on your own. It says you're throwing some darts. There's the target. So after I show you some easy ones, I want you to come back and look at this one, and I think it will make more sense to you. So in your book, I'm going to share that. Let's do it's number 5. Let's do number 5 together, okay? It says you have a 3-digit code for a locker. You're given these numbers, 763. How many different combinations can you make with that number? So let me share my journal with you. Let's take a peek. All right, so you're given, this is from your book. It's problem number 5. You're given these numbers, 763. How many different combinations can you make? Okay, so here's the numbers. So I'm going to make a table. You are going to make a table. Copy the numbers, 763. How many different orders can you put this number in? Okay, so under the 7, beneath the 7, I could just keep it in order as 763. I could also change it up by saying 736. There are no other combinations that I can make that would begin with 7, are there? Okay, how about beginning with 6? I could go 673. So let's do that. 673. Is there another combination I could make beginning with 6? I could go 6, 3, 7. Any more that begin with the number 6? No. So then I come over here and I say, well, what if I began my combination with a 3? I could say 3, 7, 6, or that's right, I could go 3, 6, 7. So with these numbers right here, the total number of combinations that I could make for a lock or a locker are 6. I could make 6 possible combinations with that number. Let's take a look at another one. This problem comes from your book. It is on page 25. And it says that Ariana, Maya, Ethan, and Nick want to play a basketball tournament, one-on-one basketball tournament. How many games would be played if they all play each other once? So again, I'm going to make a table and just abbreviate their names. A-M-E-N. It looks to spell amen, but don't worry about that. I'm going to make a table. You are going to make a table. Take a look. Ariana could play Mia. Who else could Ariana play? She could play Ethan. She could also play Nick. Any other combinations of who Ariana could play? No. Who else? How about Mia? Who could Mia play? Mia could play Ethan. Mia could play Nick. Any other combinations? Notice that Mia has already played Ariana over here, so I don't list it again. Let's take another look. How about Ethan? Who could Ethan play? Ethan could play Nick. Notice, because Ethan is already playing Mia and Ariana. So again, the total number of games that could be played are 6. Okay, how about one more? I want to look at this problem. This problem comes from your workbook, page R1-7. Let's take a look at that page, what it looks like, if I can locate it. It is here it is. Here's number 2. This is out of your workbook. Okay, you have some markers. You have different colored markers, yellow, red, green, blue, and purple. If you wanted to form pairs of 2, how many different pairs could you make? Let's take a look at the journal. I'm going to transfer this information over to our journal. Let's take a look at it. All right, so here's our markers. I'm going to use number 2 from the workbook right here. The color of the markers are yellow, red, green, blue, and purple. There they are. I've just written them down. Yellow, red, green, blue, and purple. Those are markers. If I wanted to pair them up in 2s, how many different combinations could I make? So I'm going to make a table. Ready? I'm then going to see that I could put yellow and red together. I could put yellow and green together. I could put yellow and blue together. I could also put yellow and purple together. Any other combinations with yellow? No. Let's do red. Red could be with green. Red could be with blue. Red could be with purple. Any other pairs? No. Let's go on. Which marker could I pair with green? Green and blue, green and purple. Remember, green has already paired up with these other ones, so I do not list it again. How about blue? The only other pair I could make are blue and purple. So how many pairs can be made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll put it on this side. So there are possible of 10 combinations. I want to look at one more. Let me share my screen. I'm going to go to your workbook. Workbook, the R page. Let's take a look at that one. Okay, number 2 we just did. Look at this one right above. Again, this is your R page, R1-7. Take a look at this. Here's numbers you're given for a combination, 2, 3, 6, and 9. I want you to go down on this column. If you go down, notice 2, 3, 6, 9. They're just right in order. The next one is 2, 3, 9, 6. Okay, they've done most of the work for you. So what number does that have to be? Then it goes, that's right, 6, 2, 6, 9, 3. What number is missing on this next one? Look at the patterns, okay? Try these. Send me any questions that you may have.